Are you looking to streamline your schedule and manage your Salesforce records more efficiently? Today, I'm going to show you how to create an event in Salesforce Lightning, directly linked to any record, step by step. Salesforce Lightning is a powerful platform that helps you manage customer relationships and business processes. And knowing how to schedule events properly can save you time and keep your workflow organized. To get started, head over to the App Launcher. You'll find it in the top left corner of your screen as a small grid icon. Click it, and you'll see all the apps and tools available to you in Salesforce. Next, navigate to the specific record where you want to create the event. This could be a lead, an opportunity, or any other record relevant to your work. Selecting the right record ensures that your event is linked correctly, keeping your Salesforce data tidy and easy to track. Once you're on the record page, scroll to the section labeled Activities. This section shows all current and past engagements related to the record and is where you'll add new events. Look for the New Event button and click it to open the event creation screen. Here's where you enter the details. Start with a clear and descriptive subject so everyone knows what the event is about. Set the date and time to make sure it's scheduled correctly on everyone's calendar. If there's a physical location, a virtual meeting link, or any other venue information, add it here to avoid confusion. You can also include notes or additional information to help attendees prepare and participate effectively. Once you've filled in all the details, simply click Save. Your event is now created, linked to the record, and visible in the activity history. This makes it easy to track interactions, analyze progress, and keep your team on the same page. And that's it. Creating events in Salesforce Lightning is straightforward, but it's a feature that can significantly improve your productivity and client relationship management. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most of Salesforce's capabilities and stay organized like a pro. Thanks for watching. Make sure to explore more features in Salesforce Lightning to fully unlock its potential, and stay tuned for more tips to boost your efficiency.